Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to record multiple screens with Loom. Now, here are the steps to record multiple screens with Loom. The first thing to do is to launch the Loom desktop app on your computer, which of course I have done right here. Now, if you are not signed in, log into your Loom account using your credentials. In the Loom interface, if you check the first option, click on that. Now, you can either record the full screen, that's the full screen of your entire screen, or record specific window, or you can also choose custom size. Then you can use camera only, or you can use screenshot. Now if you want to record specific window, go ahead and click on specific window and select the specific screen that you want to record. And Loom will only zoom in on, or let's say focus on, that specific screen. If you have multiple screens, then all the multiple screens or multiple windows will definitely be displayed in here. Now, you can choose just one at a time to record on Loom. Unfortunately, you cannot record multiple screens at the same time with Loom. Now, let's go ahead and see the reason for that. Now, can I record both of my monitors or go back and forth between monitors? Unfortunately, no, you cannot record two monitors at once, nor switch between monitors while recording. Now, you have to record only specific monitors or specific screens, just one at a time on Loom. And so that's it. You cannot record multiple screens at the same time on Loom. It just has to be one at a time using any of these options. Turn on your camera by selecting no camera, and then choosing any of those options, and turn on your microphone by selecting no microphone and choosing from any of the drop-down menu. And once you're done, click on start recording and specific windows will be recorded. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.